Hey everyone, this is Ash from Creative Mending, and today we get to do a very special unboxing video. We have the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, it's a 512 gigabyte, and then we have the keyboard case for it, and we also purchased the second generation Apple Pencil. It's been like 10 years since I've got to consider myself part of the Mac Club, so I'm pretty excited to jump right back in again. And I think the thing I'm most excited for is the Notes app, the GoodNotes app, and then also Procreate, since I see so many different artists and bullet journals utilizing both of those. We're gonna go ahead and open up the iPad first, that way we can mess with everything afterwards. Plus it's the most exciting part, so why not do it first? I do this to myself every time. I should just have my scissors, but it's kind of fun ripping through the packages. So here she is. So pretty. I did get to play with it a little bit in Best Buy when I ordered it. It's just that they didn't have them in stock, so Apple had to send me one. Or maybe I think they brought it from a different Best Buy out in Tennessee or something. I'm so excited. I haven't had a Macintosh product in so long. They're so pretty. They're just so expensive. But I'm turning 30, so this is my 30th birthday present. Oh, I don't even know what to do. Okay, here we go. They make it so easy, you know? Oh wow, it's actually quite heavy. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it turns into like a little envelope. I did opt for the regular silver. They have a darker gray as well, but I like the traditional silver color. Alright, so this must be all of the information and charging packet, yeah. And I don't know if this is already going to be charged up. I don't even know where the power button is. Is it this one? No. Can you see it that way? No. I know this isn't supposed to be this difficult. I'm just making it difficult. Let's go ahead and open up the Apple Pencil while that's getting... So I will say, I mean, everybody knows Macintosh is good about the visual appeal. Hello. And we're gonna take a look at this. Everything's just so pretty. It's like so fun opening everything. Whoops! You just throw stuff around like I do. That's one way to do it. So here's the second generation Apple Pencil. And looks like the iPad is doing its thing. Oh yeah, the Apple Pencil feels really light. It really does feel like just a pencil. I like it. It's a little bit, you know, heavier than a regular pencil, of course, but it's still very comfortable. I like that. I'm gonna try and remember all that stuff. I'll probably have to Google it again at some point. Yay! Okay, we're finally in. So I feel kind of bad because I don't actually even know how to get this thing set up. I don't think it just works right away. No, it doesn't. So I'll have to look into that. I wish I could show more about the actual pencil. Maybe I can make a review or something just about that once I figure out more. But I'm still really excited. I wanted to show what the display looks like. It's really pretty. It's pretty lightweight. I did want to add a little update to the end of this video. I did accidentally purchase the wrong case. The one I had was too big because it was for the first and second generation. I have the third generation, which does not have the home button on it. And then also, I remember on the other case, I thought it was interesting because it had a strap, and she told me, well, it connects magnetically. So this one doesn't feature a little strap because it just has that spot where it is able to magnetically attach. So just keep that in mind. As you can see, the third generation one it's more of this really comfy, squishy, rubbery type of material. And then you can open it up and you still have your keyboard and everything like that. You've got your pen here attached. and then you can just open this up and you've got your keyboard. And I haven't actually messed with it, but I want to say, ooh, do that. I want to say that this should become more somehow. Okay, let's see, maybe, oh, see, I'm telling you, I'm pro unboxer here. So you just kind of set it on there, and then it magnetizes, and the little flap magnetizes on the back too, so you don't have to worry about that much. It's super sleek and pretty. I like it a lot. So I like it a lot. So I really hope that you decide to grab the case. I think it's worth the extra money. And I did also get the glass screen protector put on as well. So that's all great, and it's really comfortable and sleek. I mainly bought my iPad Pro for doing more art, and so I could get started in some digital bullet journaling because I'm pretty obsessed with traditional bullet journaling. So far, I've noticed a huge increase in my productivity already. It's very fluid, so smooth. I play a lot with Procreate and GoodNotes4. Hopefully I'll be able to talk about those more in the future. I hope that you will like and subscribe to this video. Please leave me a comment and let me know if you're considering getting your own iPad Pro. I hope you have a great day. I know I am going to have a very great day.